Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Yardmax UB5765. This two-stage snow blower with an efficient motor with a 196cc displacement offers decent performance irrespective of the level of snow. Its 6.5 horsepower engine does not ask for much effort to get started. You can quickly get it up and running with its traditional recoil start. It is our choice for the best two-stage snow blower for the money. It has a 22-inch snow clearing path and is perfect for the person who needs a blower now again throughout the snow season. The two-stage blower has a bit of additional power to clear those paths more quickly than the simple single stage. The blower has an ideal weight balance which makes it easier to operate the dashboard controls that include shifting and chute control. Your self-propelled drive has 5 forward and 2 reverse speeds so you can guide your blower across your sidewalks and driveways. The high durable steel augers can easily cut through hard snow or ice which is further chopped down by the specially designed housing. Let's watch more.
The Yardmax 22-inch two-stage snowblower. So affordable and convenient to store, yet it will tackle some of the biggest snowfalls. It's a perfect balance. With 5 forward speeds and 2 reverse, you can easily control the removal of snow up to 16 inches deep, clearing a 22-inch path. Featuring a Yardmax 196cc engine, an easy start with a prime and a quick pull of the starter rope. The axe-shaped auger and 10-inch high-speed impeller quickly consumes the heaviest of snow, throwing it through an extended solid steel chute, all engineered for maximum throwing distance and minimal blowback. Aim the snow where you want, with a convenient-to-reach crank control for on-the-fly adjustment. With the flexibility of full-time 2-wheel drive when extra traction is required, or 1-wheel drive for better maneuverability. Yardmax practicality and performance without breaking the bank. Max value, max performance.
Number 2 in this best two-stage snow blower list is Briggs & Stratton two-stage snow blower. It has a 24-inch wide clearing path and a 20-inch intake height for clearing a variety of surfaces. The push-button electric start makes it easy to get your blower started in the coldest of weather, and when you get it running, the friction drive transmission will help you to clean all the way down to the driveway or sidewalk. It has a 12-inch steel auger with 6 forward and 2 reverse settings. The two-stage snow blower features a durable steel frame for working during harsh weather conditions. It is equipped with a durable gearbox made of aluminum for a long life. It comes with an electric start to turn on the unit with just the push of a button. Using the freehand control, you can maneuver the snow blower using one hand while using the controls with the other hand. Our third choice is Ariens ST24 Le Deluxe two-stage snowblower. The two-stage snowblower from the brand has a powerful engine with 254cc that can easily handle snow ranging between 3 feet to 50 feet in height. This is a dual-stage snowblower that has a 254cc engine, which by the way runs on the loud side but is powerful enough to handle the light snowfalls that you can get overnight. The 24-inch clearing width and the 14-inch diameter serrated auger cuts through compacted snow and even ice fairly easily. In fact, it can push snow at a little over 2,000 pounds per minute. It has a large gear case made of cast iron that is responsible to supply more power to the engine when snow conditions are extreme and provides more power to auger for smooth snow throwing. Fourth pick in this best two-stage snow blower list is Snow Joe Ion 8024XR snow blower. It's a two-stage, heavy serrated auger that is 24 inches wide and 13 inches deep. Combine this power with this auger and you can displace 1,000 pounds of snow per minute. The Snow Joe is operated by a pair of 5-amp batteries that can run the snowblower for 30 minutes with no gas and is extra quiet. Equipped with a two-stage heavy-duty serrated steel auger and powerful impeller, Ion 8024 plows through up to 1,000 pounds of snow per minute, clearing a path 24 inches wide by 13 inches deep in a single pass. Integrated push-button digital display puts the full power of ION at your fingertips. Features a 4-speed digital drive system. The blower starts by merely pushing the button on the display. 2 handles allow you to take a hold of your blower and have ultimate control at your fingertips. This unit weighs in at only 105 pounds, but because it is self-propelled it is easy to steer and move around. Let's watch more.
Introducing the newest force of nature, the ION 8024 XR, the revolutionary dual-stage cordless snowblower from SnowJoe, featuring an extra-wide 24-inch clearing path, dual battery power for up to 50 minutes of runtime, clear up to 20 tons of snow per charge. Dual-stage technology, serrated steel auger slices snow while the powerful impeller throws it up to 32 feet away. Put the powder precisely where you want it with ION's 180-degree thumb control shoe rotation. The onboard digital control panel puts power and precision at your fingertips. And ION's integrated LED lights brighten up your nighttime clearing. When winter strikes, fight back and go with Joe. The ION 8024 XR dual-stage cordless snowblower from SnowJoe. Get equipped.
Our fifth and last choice is Troy-Bilt Storm 2625 Snow Thrower. Troy-Bilt is a relatively small brand that builds the most rugged, reliable, and durable outdoor power equipment. The brand develops a wide range of products including lawn maintenance equipment, gardening tools, and snowblowers. It is quite loud in operational mode. It has a 26-inch wide clear cutting area and a 21-inch cutting depth. Troy-Bilt's 2-stage snowblower runs on a powerful 243cc 4-cycle engine gasoline engine for heavy-duty snow clearing tasks. It is equipped with 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds for optimal control while removing the snow. Besides, the snowblower clears snow up to 21 inches deep and 26 inches wide on a single pass. It is equipped with reversible skid shoes that give you more control while you are operating the snowblower. Equipped with just one-hand operation that allows you to adjust the 200-degree shoot direction control without stopping.